Once this project is completed, if you're at this spot right here, you will be on the edge of the water. A trail would be going by here on this side, and a trail would be going by on the other side. As you move up the trail this way, you'll be getting to the pavilion, parking area, restroom area. The only restrooms that'll be in the parkway will be located here. Next to the pavilion will be playground for kids to play. Hopefully past that area will be a splash pad, and past that area then will be a skate park. There will be a trail going, a road going to the south of the pavilion where the cars can enter into the area.
This seems like it would be like an exciting thing for the people of Kennedy and the surrounding area.
Oh, I think it will. If you have kids and you live in Kennedy and you need to find them in the summertime, this will be the place to start looking. When it's all said and done, as people cross this bridge and look down on this parkway project, this is going to be the face of Kennedy.